Welcome to TravelScout channel. For today's video, we will take you to Innsbruck, Austria. We will be going to explore Innsbruck and discover the must-see places, things to do, and what to eat. But before we start, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more future updates here on the TravelScout channel. The Austrian alpine city of Innsbruck is situated in the state of Tyrol, in the wide Inn Valley, at the crossing of two important traffic routes between Germany and Italy, and between Vienna and Switzerland. One of Austria's most famous year-round vacation destinations. The city has maintained its medieval old town, with its narrow, mangled streets and tall houses in late Gothic style. Many of the city's most popular places to visit are gathered close to the Old Town, whose appealing narrow streets provide tourists with plenty of things to see and do. It's the perfect location to begin traversing this historic city and offers up plenty of excellent dining opportunities, as well as unique places to stay. Wander Old Town Innsbruck. The semicircular quarter of the Old Town is surrounded by a ring of streets known as the Graben and is now an exquisite pedestrian area where you can wander through 800 years of history. Observe its narrow house fronts, handsome doorways, oriel windows, buttressed medieval houses, and arcaded facades. Innsbruck's Old Town is captivating to explore on foot. Take your time enjoying this well-preserved area that is filled with many excellent examples of old Tyrolese architecture and southern influences, along with sumptuous Renaissance, Baroque, and Rococo buildings. Experience the top of Innsbruck from the Nordkette. Experience fun things in either summer or winter in Nordkette, the closest mountain to Innsbruck. The best way to get to the top of the mountain is by riding the city's Hungerbergbahn cable car. This modern funicular railway starts in the very heart of the city and crosses the River Inn before heading up to the Innsbruck suburb of Hungerberg, a journey of just 8 minutes. See the famous Golden Roof. This majestic late Gothic oriel window, roofed with gilded copper tiles, was built in 1496 to celebrate Maximilian I's marriage to Bianca Maria Sforza. Made up of 2,657 gilded copper tiles, the golden roof's lower banister is splendidly decorated with coats of arms, while the open balcony above shows 10 figural reliefs. The house behind, the Nierhof, was a former ducal palace reconstructed in 1822. Tour of the Hofburg Innsbruck's old Imperial Palace. Innsbruck's old court palace, the Hofburg, a former imperial palace initially built in the 15th and 16th centuries, was changed in Baroque and Rococo style in the 18th century upon order from Empress Maria-Theresien. The palace has now been set up as a museum and is best viewed on a guided tour, which includes its extravagant apartments with their fine painted ceilings. Tyrolean State Museums. Innsbruck is home to a number of museums of international character, particularly those that constitute the Tyrolean State Museum's umbrella. A must-see is the Tyrolean Folk Art Museum adjoining the Hofkirche in the new abbey. Here you'll enjoy contemplating an extensive local art collection representing a diversity of Tyrolese themes, along with replicas of traditional brick-built houses with oriel windows from the Upper Inn Valley. Other exhibits include a wealthy shop of costumes, conventional furniture, tools, glass, pottery, and textiles. stroll along Maria-Theresien-Strasse. Border with striking 17th and 18th century houses and plenty of shops, teeming Maria-Theresien-Strasse is backed by a magnificent vista of the mountains to the north. Captivating to explore, and should feature on your Innsbruck travel itinerary as a must-do. In the middle of this wide old street, straight in front of the town hall, nestled St. Anne's Column. Built in 1706 to celebrate the withdrawal 3 years earlier of Bavarian troops on St. Anne's Day and conquer by a statue of the Virgin Mary, St. Anne stands on the base near the patron saint of Tyrol, St. George, and other saints. Grassmayr Bell Foundry and Museum. For a truly enchanting experience, be sure to include the Grassmayr Bell Foundry and Museum on your Innsbruck travel itinerary. One of the world's leading makers of church bells, the company was established in Austria more than 400 years ago. Walking tour along the River Inn. Many interesting sites are situated close to the beautiful riverbanks and coastland of the River Inn. A great place to start your walk is the Maria-Hilf district, noted for its Baroque Maria-Hilf Kirche from 1649 with its 17th century frescoes and the beautiful Botanic Garden and Observatory. Then the good place to end your stroll is in St. Nicholas district, a little farther downstream, remarkable for its neo-Gothic church. Back in the center, near the Old Inn Bridge, you'll find the vigorously Innsbruck market. In December, this is the scene of a large Christmas market that reveal in the streets of the old town. Visit the opulent Ambras Castle. Just a short drive southeast of Innsbruck, the luxurious Ambras Castle was the residence of Archduke Ferdinand from 1563 to 95. In the lower castle are 2 rooms holding a fine collection of arms and armor, while on the first floor of the Kornschuttgebäude is a valuable art collection, including many sculptures and applied arts. In the upper castle is the bathroom of Ferdinand's wife, Philippine Weiser, a uniqueness as one of the few private bathrooms that get through from the 16th century and featuring a 1.5 meter deep copper tub. So what do you think of our video? Please comment down below, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more future updates here on TravelScout channel. Thank you for watching.